Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to log in or sign in to the Metamask app on your phone. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, install the Metamask app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on whether you are using an Android or iPhone. Once installed, open the app and you will see an interface that looks something like this. Tap on Get Started. You will now have three options: import using secret recovery phrase, sync with Metamask extension, create a new wallet. Since we want to log in, tap on import using recovery phrase. Scroll down and tap agree. When you first created your Metamask account, you were given a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet, so make sure you have it stored safely, either written down or saved in a secure location. Now enter your recovery phrase at the top. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code by tapping on this button right here. Next, set a password, confirm it, and toggle on Remember Me for easy access. Once done, the import button will be highlighted, so tap on it. After a few moments, you will be successfully logged into your Metamask account. So simple, right? So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.